Going, guys? So today we're doing a video that actually BMW Dr. Dean's wife recommended me do. And she brought this up. I never thought much about it at first, and then I got to thinking about it, and I started asking other viewers about doing a lottery scratching video, and everybody's like, you have to do that, Nathan. That is an awesome idea. So we're right here. You can see you got a little furry animal in front of me here, which is the microphone for the GoPro. So we're going to do a little picture-in-picture on this. We're going to scratch some lottery tickets. So what we have here, we have a receipt. So I spent 50 bucks on these. I got a pack of M&Ms. So it was like $51 and some change. And we have a bunch of different tickets here. I'm going to show you some little tips. And I don't buy a lot of lottery. The last year or so I haven't bought a lot. Been busy with other stuff. I just don't do that much anymore. I'm going to show you how to tell how to win. I mean, how you're going to be able to tell what's a winning ticket or what's a general area in the strip that's going to win. So we have some dollar tickets. We have some $5 tickets. We have five or six. We have five $5 tickets. We have one $10 ticket. We have a bunch of $2 tickets. So we have 3, 4, 5. So we're going to start off real quick here with these $1 tickets. And hopefully you can see this good. I think you should be able to. And we're going to go and start scratching these off. Now, one tip I'm going to give you right away. You can see on these $2 tickets, see there's a white line in between these. You can't really see it too good on this. Let me try to find a thicker one that has more prevalent, like this one right here. So see on this $5 ticket, there's a white line in between there. And on this one, there's not, right? Just a dotted line. So you can see that. I was always told, I always went by, that's indication that that is a winning ticket, or the one before or after that is a winning ticket. Now, we don't know on this one. It looks like there was a white line where it got ripped off on top. And there's not, so it's probably not looking good. That's just a general consensus of what to look for. That's what I look for when I buy lottery tickets. So let's go and start scratching this. And this is a 5X Lucky, a 13. Let me push this back just a hair. Tripod's hitting the table. So one numbers are 13 and 11. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go down the row here. That was 6, 8, 4, 7, and 3. So no winners on that. And let me see here. I'm going to go ahead and do the next one. 14. Let's see. There. Maybe that'll be a little better. 14 and 8. And at this point, we're going to do a 13, 4, 10, 9, and 11. So no winner on that one. I don't think any of these are going to be a winner. Maybe a free ticket. Let's see if I'm right or if I'm wrong. 15, 12, 11, 8, 4, 6, and 14. So 3 in a row, no winner. 1 and 8. There's a little bit of a glare on that. I don't like that. I'm not really sure what I could do with that without turning the lights different. 4, 13, 14, 13, and 11. So another loser. Like I said, I don't think it's going to be a winner either. 8, 9, 11. Nope, 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 nope. So it's 4 losers right in a row. And like I said, we did not see the white line in between them. It looks like there's one there, but if we rip this off, let's see if it does the same thing. So the winner is going to be before or after this. Yeah, so that was a white line at the top. So probably this roll hit before we got it here. So it hit on the upper tickets before the ones that we got. my quarter go. Here it is. And let's go ahead and do some of these $2 tickets. Let's rip these in half. And before we do that, there was a white line right here. So let's just kind of rip those like so. So they're not all getting in the way. So this one is quick 100s. These are $2 tickets. And we have our winning numbers up here. So let's go ahead and scratch those. 12 and 16. And then our prizes are right here. So we're going to do 18. Kind of angle it towards you so you can see it a little better. 18, 8. Nope. 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 Oh. Nope. Nope. And 5. So what we got? Probably a free ticket. Let's see here. Reveal a money bag symbol, win the prize automatically. Okay, and then our other ones are reveal a 100 symbol or a all. All right, so let's see what we got. $2, so a free ticket on a $2 ticket. I'll rip this guy off. Put that in the winner pile. Make sure everything's still going here. Yeah, everything's still recording. So next we're going to go ahead and do these. We have a 5 and a 17 as our winning numbers. 3, nope, 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 nope. And no. Okay. The next one, 18 and 10. I don't expect this to win, but you never know. And no. All right, so let's make a pile over here of those. Get the loser pile out. All right. And here's our white line. It's split between these two cards. So let's see if this gets us anywhere. A 15 and 7. And nothing on that one. And I fully expect by buying $50 worth of tickets, I told the lady at the gas station, I said, maybe we'll win $15 back of that 50. That's about the going rate. So if you don't have a lot of money, don't freaking go buy lottery tickets and think that's going to pan out for you, because it's not. I'd say it's impossible, but it's pretty much impossible. This is for entertainment purposes only. 18.5 is our winning numbers. Looks like we're going to get the old shaft on this one again. And nothing. That there. And we'll do our $5 tickets. Have a white line between these. You can see right there. And we don't. We just have perforated on that. So let's go ahead and scratch the bottom half of this white line. These are big cash. So winning numbers are here. 10, 39, 25, 23. I think that's it, yeah. So we have 29, nope. 26, nope. Nope. And no. $36, nope. 34, nope. And that, my friends, shake all the stuff off of it. That, my friends, is how you throw away $5. That's double, triple, quadruple checking all this. And that is not a winner in any way, shape, or form. I don't think there was another row. There is not. That's the barcode. That one's to the loser pile. The one that was on attached to it. So this is the top of the white line. You can still see it right there. 32, 24, 6, 4, 18. There's not another one over there. Okay, there we go. 40, no. 21, no. 16, no. 35, hell no. 19, no. Feel bad I'm not looking at this camera. I'm looking at the thing to scratch it. Shake off all the losing silt there. All right, let's make sure. 17, 13, 0. Or we could have a stack of money revealed or a bag of money. We haven't had either one of those. We'd know if we had that. 3, no. 34, no. 9, no. Nope. 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 And 36, no. So is the white line situation proven? I would say no. But usually as a rule of thumb, that'll get you close. To the loser pile you go, buddy. Do another one here. 36, 13, 10, 27, 30, and that is it. 22, 19, 15, 3, 29, 9, 25, 12, 4, and 1. 21, 14, 32, 16, and 11. I would say maybe in the last year or so, the lottery winnings have gotten decreased quite a bit because it's pretty grim outlook right there. Oh, hold on, we done screwed up. It says scratch the back for more chances to win. Well, son of a. What the hell's going on here? So, on this side, reveal a $sign, a 5x, or cash. Or a stack of money, 5x, or cash. That's a bow, but not cash. Does it say down below what it is? Yeah, bow. Okay, so that's done. Let me get back in the loser pile and grab these other two. Oh, we got a winner. See, you almost threw that damn thing away. A wallet, shoe, a ring. All right, let's see. $10. Redeemed herself just a tiny bit. Basically has 2 free tickets. Let's go ahead and do this one. Nope. Rainbow car. Horseshoe. 4-leaf clover. And a key. Back to the loser pile you go, buddy. $23, $27, $9, $19, $35. $28, nope. $21, nope. $18, hell no. $33, no. $24, $1, $39, $38, $12, $13, $16, $3, $11, $34, and $20. That, my friends, is not a winner. Let's see what we got on the back. A rainbow, a chest, key, a car, and piggy bank. Loser. Loser that one is. Your winning numbers 38, 14, 18. Whoop. 6. Let's see here. 22, 34, 16, 9, 28, 4, 35, 20, 1, 25, 39, 32, 11, and 17. Piggy bank. Stack of cash. Got a winner on that one. Plane. $5. Free ticket. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the very last one here is a real bright one. This is a $10 ticket. So let's see. This is 50x lucky. Let's see how lucky the 50x lucky is. So 1, 14, 38, 28, 40, and 15 is our winning numbers. $12, 11, 3, 26, 2, 37, 27, 4, 8, 36, 16, 18, 35, 24, and 29. And that is what you call a loser. So at the $50 we spent, let me see here, just double, triple, quadruple checking all that, and there is not a winning number in any of that mess. So there's that. Make sure we scratch everything. I think that is it. So our totals here are, at this point, we have $15, $16, $17. Like I said, 10 on the one, 5 on the other. We had 2 on this one. So we got $17 back, and we spent $50. So that, my friends, is how lottery goes. I guesstimated 20-ish. So it came in a little bit low. If you like this video, you want me to see scratch more lottery tickets, hit the thumbs up. Tell me in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Tomorrow, back to BMW videos. We'll see y'all soon.